got goose pimples just walking up on it.
You ever wonder what happens when you mix hot lava and chicken?
I did, and you're about to find out.
Uh-oh! You hear that? That's the sound of sizzling.
Smell that smell.
La 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 lava! Chicken! Steve's lava chicken, yes, tasty as hell. Ooh, mamacita, now you're ringing the bell. Crispy and juicy, now you're having a snack. Ooh, super spicy, it's a lava attack!
I have a small business too. The one thing I try to do is not have my jingles suck butt.